How to link Square appointments with Google Calendar. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very quick and easy method to connect your Square appointments calendar or account to your Google Calendar and make the appointments much easier. Also, you can follow up here at the Square appointments into your Google Calendar in case you're not going to sign in or you have forgot that it is going to be here. Very important to have it on your phone. So basically, the Google Calendar is going to be available on your phone all the time, so you can go ahead and check it anytime. Now, let's head over Square or Square Appointments. Then we are going to sign in into our account. You need only to have a Square or Square Up account. As you can see here, we have already signed in. Now, from here, for the quick access, you're going to see appointments, which is going to lead you to Square appointments, of course. So as you can see here, we are going to see the dashboard of Square appointments. Now I'm going to exit this page. What we're going to do is to click on settings. From the settings, we are going to head over the calendar and booking. So we are going to scroll down a little bit until we see that the management of our account is here. So as you can see, we are going to see manage calendar synchronization. So you can synchronize team members' calendars with Google Calendar. Synchronizing will allow you to see Square appointments in your personal calendar and a personal event on your Square appointments calendar. So you are going simply to click on link Google Calendar. It will show up here a pop-up window to connect your Google account, and then you're going to agree to that specific connection. Unfortunately, I cannot do that because we need to subscribe to the Plus plan. I'm on the free plan, so you need to subscribe to the Plus plan, which will cost you about $29 per location per month. And then you're going to click on subscribe, and this is it. After you have set up the subscription or the synchronization of your Google Calendar, you're going to, whenever you are going to head over the calendar, for example in here, so you're going to synchronize obviously the access for your team members. Then you are going to add an event, for example, or a client. Let's say here I have booked an appointment into a specific place on the calendar with a specific or precise date and time. So they are going simply to have them mentioned into your calendar on Square Appointments, and that appointment is going to be synchronized into your Google Calendar in the same place, in the same time, and also it is going to be shared within your teams. So basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.